Hi everyone, welcome back to Arranging with Judy. Today I went out and I cut a whole bunch of limelight hydrangeas and they're just fabulous. Some of them are ginormous and they have these really great straight stems and everything, and then some of them are a little bit smaller and they have more curvy stems. And I wanted to show you how you could use a hydrangea to kind of be an armature for the rest of the arrangement. When you put something like this in a bowl that's this big, it kind of droops, you know. And then it also, this stem here, you can see with the clear the clear bowl that this stem is way up here and it's hardly even in water. So what I want to do is I could tape a grid of tape. I've shown you that before, across here with a clear tape. It will hardly even show. But then sometimes it's hard to get these things in deep enough, and sometimes you don't have clear tape. So what I want to try is, this is a vintage bowl. It's got kind of a wide mouth, if you can see that. And so I want to secure these hydrangeas in so that I can put flowers in around them. So I'm starting out with these limelights, and I'm going to take them and I have these really cool things. They're from the dollar store. They call them rubber bands. They're clear. I'm not sure if you can see. They're very tiny. I'll just see if maybe this can see it. They're very tiny and they're for ponytails, but I like them for flowers. So I'm going to take one and I'm going to put it around these stems. Maybe I should, you know, see how long I want it first. Let's try this. And I might have to, you know, double it. And then I want to put it way, way up, because I just want to hold these two together so that they don't spread out and fall over. Nope, they're going to have to be a little bit shorter than that. Let's just take my cutters here. I went out and I cut some other flowers in the garden. This needs to be a little bit higher and really kind of a little bit tighter. Let's see if I can get this to go up there. Oh, I does not want to go over that right there. There we go. All right, now those should stay like that. Then I can put another one in the middle, and that will kind of hold all of them in place. So I cut some zinnias, some phlox, some fennel, some really interesting echinacea. See how that's going to secure that, and that should hold everything in place. Keep your fingers crossed. I might want to add, let's see, I have this really cool echinacea I got to show you. It has like funky petals and a really interesting center, and I'm going to use that. I think the color would be good with this. And the zinnias are down there, and I got some phlox. This is baptisia foliage, and I thought I might just tuck a little bit of that in around the edge right now. And I might try and put it through the hydrangea so that that helps lock everything in place too. Is this in the way? Probably. All right. So I'm just going to put a few little placements around here, and hopefully I'm kind of crisscrossing over the hydrangea blossom too. And then I'll just build up to the center with a couple placements too. Well, let's see. And maybe one more right over here. All right, then I have these really large phlox too. This is a lot of very bulky material here. So I'll just place these in between the hydrangea placements, because I have, okay, when you make a circle, you need more than 4 points. You need more than 3 points. The minimum you need to make a circle is 5. So I want to have 5 placements around here. So I think what I'll do is I'll put 3 of these in between, and that gives me it gives me 6. So it gives me a nice circle. So these are just projecting out about as far as the hydrangea. I keep forgetting I have this on this wonderful turntable my friend Kyle sent me as a surprise one day. All right, so let's see, do we want to put this one in yet? Maybe not, but I have the feeling it's going to go up in here somewhere. So I'll do the echinacea next. And I don't know, these are really interesting. I'm afraid they might look too brown with this, but let's give it a try. And I'm going to put these in. Let's see, where's it going? Feels like it's hooking on something. Cut it off a little shorter. Okay. So we'll put these in. And I'll probably put 3 in around the outside, and then I think I might start building up towards the center with these. No, I'm going to use more than 3. Let's see, maybe not. Come on. All right. And this one is a little weird, but maybe it'll be okay in there. All right, and then another one. I was thinking this could be like, you know, pink and kind of greenish, but these might end up being a little too brownish. I don't know. We'll see. I might have to pull in something else. Okay, I have 3 around here. Oh, I want one more in here. And I'm slowly bridging up to the center of this, where I think I'll put this. It's really weird, isn't it? All right, and we can just tuck it in the middle of this. All right. So let's do the yarrow next, because I want some more pink in here. Is that it? Ah, one more here. So you just keep building, you know, variety by variety, you know, and you're trying to bridge up to the center, so that, like, if you laid a blanket over this, you know, all the points would be touching that blanket. It would be like, or a bowl. If you put a bowl over it, that might be a better description. So I always put, you know, some towards the edges and then some towards the top. I don't have a lot of this. You know, sometimes you go out in the garden and you don't have a lot of any one thing, so you have to kind of make each placement count. But you can still do a pretty arrangement with not much stuff. All right, I kind of feel like I want this in here, up at the top, kind of balancing this echinacea over here on this side. I think I can slide it right through that hydrangea and have it stand up. Okay, then I have this fennel, and the fennel this year is just fabulous. And it's almost a little too yellow. I don't know. Well, let's try it and see. I also have some Queen Anne's lace. What do you think? What do you think, crowd? Do you like the yellow, or would you rather see the white? You like the white? Okay. All right. I polled the studio audience, and we're going to do some white. So I have this white Queen Anne's lace here. I've got to grab a couple more pieces, I think. it's a little bit finer material, and I think it might just do the trick. I also have some white zinnias, but I don't know if I'm going to need those. I think if I just go along and just kind of top dress with the Queen Anne's lace, we might be just about done. I don't know if I want to add a little bit more foliage. It'd be nice to have some variegated foliage in here. So we'll see what I have in my bag, in my bucket back there. I have some French tarragon that might be interesting, and it might have a nice scent to it too. So I might try some of that in here. Oh, and you know what might just, well, maybe we don't need to kind of disguise the brown in here. Maybe this is enough pink and white. That, because I was going to say, I have this sea oats. I don't know if we like that or not. But, all right, what do I have here? I need another one down here. And I need another one right there. Oh, let's see. I don't want these too big. Just something light and airy. All right. I'm going to try and slide that through this blossom here and still get it into the water. See, this is the thing about a big wide mouth bowl. You want to make sure that all of your stems are down in getting water, or else this arrangement isn't going to last. All right, do I need more white right here? I think I need a little piece of something white right here just to break up all that echinacea. Whoops, where'd it go? Here it is. Okie dokie. So if we just had a little bit of, oh, I have gray foliage. Maybe I don't need, you know, maybe I don't need any more foliage. When I step back and look at this, maybe just a piece of, maybe we should just stick with what we started with, because I think it's going to work. I want that long, maybe a little shorter. Just tuck in a few pieces of this. But look how this hydrangea held up this whole arrangement and kept everything supported. So you don't always have to have floral foam. You don't always have to have chicken wire, and you don't always have to have tape. You could just, and if you didn't have those elastic bands, you could take a rubber band. It might show. I don't like that there. Or you could wire it together, you know, if you wanted. But these elastic bands, I'm telling you, it's the Dollar Tree that has them, and they're really kind of fun. Okay, I think maybe we are finished. I think that's all we need. Garden flowers tied together with hydrangeas. I think that probably took me 10 minutes. So, and you don't even have to use the same things that I used, but use the same principles and you'll have success. Okay, thanks. If you are enjoying watching these, and if you like what you see and you want to learn more, hit the like button and subscribe while you're there for more gardening goodness. Thanks for watching.